Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will introduce to you some of the best apps made by Google. So are you ready? Let's get started. Friends, if you love to visit US, Canada, Germany, but your current situation is not allowing you, then the first app is for you. The name of the first app is Google Expeditions. The Google has made this app by which you can travel around the world by sitting at your home. For example, you can visit NASA, Egypt and even outer space with the help of this app. With the help of this app, you can visit each and every place you wish virtually with clarity. This one seems to be interesting, right? So the download link of this app is given in the description. Do check it out. The user interface of this app looks something like this. Many of us love to listen motivational talks, so the second app is made for such people. The name of the second app is Google Podcasts. With the help of this app, you can listen to motivational talks from all over the world by just searching it. It will contain at least one interesting motivational talk of your favorite. This app contains recordings of these talks which you can listen while you are walking or just simply sitting. By this, you will surely get to learn something new and informative. The third app is also quite interesting. Its name is Google Opinion Rewards. With the help of this app, you can participate in some of the surveys and get cash reward. Now, these cash rewards may not be too big. It may be limited to 20 to 60 rupees per survey. So if you are interested in creating some extra income, so this might be a good way. In this app, basically you have to participate in some of the surveys and share your opinion with the Google Opinion Review app. So from these you may get rewarded. So when you are free, you can invest your time on this app to create some extra income. So the name of the fourth app is Google Motion Stills. With the help of this app, you can create some awesome GIFs, which is mind-blowing for most of the people. User interface of this app is quite simplified, so it will be very much easy for you all to work on it. This app also contains augmented reality stickers. So basically in this app you can create some awesome GIFs. So if you are interested in creating motion GIFs, then this one is for you. There is also an app named Adobe Scanner, which is not from Google, but it is a really good app from which you can scan your notes and convert it into PDF format just clicking one button. So if you want to share your notes with someone, then this will be one of the best app for that. So guys, these were some of the apps which I felt will be very much useful for you. So if you are interested in downloading these apps, the download links are given in the description. So guys, please don't forget to check it. If you are still watching this video till now, then thank you so much for being with me. Please hit a like for this video, share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as there will be more videos coming ahead. So guys, see you guys in the next one and take care. Bye bye.